Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Got a little wooden coaster here. I just have some white paint on there, just like a little primer. You don't have to, but I'm just gonna pour in some Glidden Premium. It's my pillow paint. I'm gonna do a pretty turquoise and gold coaster. Not sure if I'm going to swirl it or not. We'll see how it turns out. All right, so this is the Artist Loft Leaf Green and some Arteza Mint Green mixed together. Try not to put too much down like I normally do. I'll put some gold. This is Pibio Iridescent Gold. Added a bit of water. I'm not going to put too much. I don't want it to overtake it. And I do have a lot of paint down. And this is the Arteza Mint Green. Some more. This is 24 karat gold by Art. And then I have Aquamarine by Art. Cell activator. Use my mini blower. I'm going to put this one on, but this one doesn't stay on very well, so I'm going to have to hold it. That's pretty. Just let the middle relax a little bit. Well, should I leave it or should I swirl it? Well, maybe I'll just do the outsides, but there we go. I'll give it a spin. A little bit more. It's not moving, so I think we're good. Should I spin it again? Let's see what it is. All right, this is gonna stay like it is. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi everybody. It's my dried tile coaster. This is the one I swirled. This is beautiful. Dried great. Thanks for watching and have a good day.